Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Above the Clouds bundle, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Above the Clouds, and we're going to be using this hot air balloon, Let Your Dreams Soar, these clouds, and this little basket. And it is the bundle, so we're also going to be using the punch. We'll start with our stamping. And I have a piece of Granny Apple Green. And I'm going to stamp that with Night of Navy. And then I have the balloon mounted on clear block C. So just like that. And then I'm also going to stamp the little basket as well. I have another piece of Granny Apple Green, and this is the sentiment mounted on clear block B. Right, and then the basket was mounted on clear block A. Now that is all the stamping we're doing with the Night of Navy. I'm going to bring in the Balmy Blue. And I have a piece of Balmy Blue, and this measures 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm going to get the clouds that are mounted on block H, and I'm just going to ink them up. And I just wanted a subtle tone on tone here. I think 2 should be fine. All right, so let's put this card together. All right, so I have a piece of Night of Navy, and this measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to adhere our Balmy Blue with our SNAIL adhesive. So just like that. And then I have a piece of the Granny Apple Green textured weaved ribbon. I'm just going to cut a piece there. And I just want it across here. All right, so just like that. We'll put that aside. I'm going to bring in my punch now. All right, so just like that. And then I'm going to get my basket here. Well, let me stamp that real quick again. All right. All right, so there is that. All right, so for the Let Your Dreams Soar, I have the 1 1/2 circle punch. And then I have a piece, Night of Navy and the 2-inch circle punch. All right, so we are going to adhere this just like that. And then I want to pop up our hot air balloon. And I think I'm going to do it just like that. And then I have the mini dimensionals for the basket. All right, and then we're going to pop up the Let Your Dreams Soar, and I'm just going to use 2 because we're placing it over the ribbon. So just like that, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you, I'm sorry, we didn't put the card base on. Our card base is Granny Apple Green, and that is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, that looks more completed now. So there you have it, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!